What would your life look like if you had more time during the day? Have you ever felt like there is just not enough time to get everything done? What if I told you there are simple strategies to boost your productivity without sacrificing your free time? Are you tired of constantly feeling overwhelmed and stressed out by your never ending to do lists? Curious about how top performers manage their time effectively and still find time to relax? Well, over the years of me seeking how to become more productive, I learned 4 powerful strategies to help you reclaim your time and organize your life, even in the busiest of schedules. So let's dive in. Number 1, prioritize ruthlessly. Identify the tasks that truly matter and will have the biggest impact. One effective tool is the Kanban board. When I studied project management, I learned that Kanban was Japanese for signboard. Developed by Taiichi Ono, an industrial engineer at Toyota, this visual management system helps you organize tasks into 3 simple columns: to do, in progress, and done. This method keeps you focused and prevents you from getting overwhelmed. Number 2, time blocking. This is where you allocate specific time slots for different tasks or activities. This strategy helps you stay focused and avoid distractions, such as scrolling your phone, binge watching a television series for hours, or switching from one task to another without rhyme or reason, and then feeling defeated because you didn't get much done. Remember, it's okay to feel flexible, but stick to the plan as much as possible. Number 3, plan tasks in small steps. I'm a huge advocate of this one because if you have a high priority task and it seems overwhelming, you can break it down into micro tasks. For example, if you are feeling overwhelmed by clutter in a closet, you can take one step at a time, set aside short periods of time to tackle specific areas such as maybe your shoes or clothes or seasonal items. Also, this is where the one in, one out rule is very effective. For every new item you obtain, let go of an old one. This will help to reduce future clutter buildup. Number 4, utilize technology. With all the management and productivity and calendar apps out there, leverage technology. Use task management calendars and time tracking apps to stay organized and efficient. These tools can help you prioritize, schedule, and monitor your time. You can also see where you are utilizing your time efficiently and where you may be spending time on things that do not align with your goals. As a life lesson, this reminds me of Philippians 4:6. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything or in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Even amidst a busy schedule or a challenging day, we can find peace and productivity by trusting in God's guidance. So let's strive for balance, not perfection. Overall, by prioritizing, time blocking, and organizing or planning our day and utilizing technology, you can reclaim your time and create a more organized and productive lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and gradually build these habits into your routine. And remember, you've got this. If you have learned anything from this video, comment down below your favorite time management strategy, and subscribe for more tips to help you live a more fulfilling life. Together, we can conquer our schedules and achieve our goals. Thank you so much for watching.